Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord how to stop FPS lag and lower CPU usage in games. Click Settings. Click Appearance. Turn off hardware acceleration. Click OK to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.